Hi guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about Monday.com, a tutorial for beginners. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's dive right in. At the end of this video, you would be able to create your own account, learn how to use Monday.com, and know its benefits. Now let's get started. So here's how you can get started. If you're creating Monday.com account, click on the Get Started button in the upper right hand corner. You can opt to continue with Google or you can manually input your email address in the fill in section. Right, and then hit on continue. Now once done, you would be able to get an email verification and continue the process. Now, once you've signed into your Monday.com, this is how it would look like. So this is our Monday.com interface and this is our home section. So basically in the home section, you will see what's recently viewed, your inbox, and if you have completed your profile. So basically, since I'm still starting to use Monday.com, I have not yet completed the profile. Now here is one of my workspace and I have called this Henlo. So here is our main table, and in our main table you can actually see the task that you need to um, complete, the owner of the task, and also the due date of each task. So if you actually see this red notice, then it means that it's past its due date. And if you see the check mark, it means it's done on the due date. And then the status, you could actually change the status by clicking on it. And you could also add a column. So when you add a column, you just need to press this plus button. Now here are the essentials that you can add, or the functionalities that you can add. You can have the status, the text, people, um, drop downs, tables, numbers, dates, and whatnot. So if you want to add a specific thing to it, then you can actually click on it. Right, that's only for this month. There's also next month, and you can actually add a table onto that as well. Right, so say for example we would like to add a label onto our this month's table, and then all you need to do is to click on label 1, label 2, label 3. So say for instance we're gonna have task number 1 label 1, label 2 for task number 2, and label 3 for task number 3. So now if you click on this ellipses button, you can actually see the settings and you can customize each labels as well. Right, if you want to change the color, you can simply click on this one right here. Okay, let me just show you right here. Say for example this is label 2. Now we're going to click on label and we're gonna edit label. So for label 1, if you want to edit the color, then you just need to click on the box beside it, and you could also rename it as well by simply backspacing and inputting your desired name. For label 2, we're gonna put this color, and for label 3 we're gonna put another color right here. So basically that's how it's done. Now you could also see in the upper right hand corner that you can actually invite people onto your specific workspace. So there, all you need to do is to enter the email address and send an invitation to that person that you would like to be joining onto your project or onto your team. Right, and then here you can actually see a calendar as well. So there's also the calendar view. It's actually just the same purpose as the main table, but this is on a calendar view level basically. So there you could also add some tasks by clicking on the new task button. You could also filter out, add a person, search, and whatnot. But basically you can see more of the dates in a calendar view once more. So there, you could also add some widgets like, say for instance, a chart, numbers, um, Gantt, and the likes. If you want to add another view, then you could also add. So there's actually the table, the Gantt, the chart, the calendar, the Kanban, and all else. So basically, I'm actually good to go with those two I have. Now let me just show you the marketplace apps and the apps by Monday.com. So there you can see the essentials. There's the blank view, the Gantt, the timeline, and other categories that you would like to choose in order for you to view your workspace, basically. So there you have it. You just need to open it, and basically you would see it in that way you want it. Okay, there. And then you could also actually add some integration when you're using Monday.com. So here's our integration center. So there's Twilio, MailChimp, Slack, GitHub, Trello. There are actually a lot of integrations that you could actually add onto Monday.com. So you just need to choose which of the applications that you would want to integrate with the said productivity platform. All right. And you could also automate your workspace right here. So basically, it's pretty simple and pretty easy to actually use Monday.com. All you need to do is really simply navigate onto its workspace, and even there in your homepage, you can see the inbox, the activities, and whatnot. That's the great thing about Monday.com. Now let's learn about the benefits on why you should use Monday.com. So, first is because of its customizable boards and workflows. Monday.com allows you to create customized boards for various purposes, whether it's project management, task tracking, sales, or HR. You can tailor each board to suit your team's specific needs and workflows. This flexibility ensures that every team can efficiently manage their work in a way that works best for them. Next is enhanced team collaboration. So, collaboration is at the heart of Monday.com. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, and communicate with the team members within the platform. Real time updates and comments keep everyone informed and engaged, fostering seamless collaboration even if team members are located in different time zones. Now, the next thing that you are going to have is easy task and project management. So, with Monday.com, managing tasks and projects becomes a breeze, and visual timelines and progress tracking features allows you to monitor your project status at a glance. You can identify bottlenecks, allocate resources efficiently, and ensure projects stay on track to meet deadlines. And those are some of the benefits of Monday.com. And that's why you should try out and check out Monday.com if you are looking for a project management platform. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video. Bye!